Have you ever dreamed of having a one-stop platform for all your design needs? Imagine a place where you can create stunning graphics, build websites, and even collaborate with others, all in one tool. Welcome to design. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just getting started, this platform has everything you need to bring your ideas to life. Ready to explore? Let's dive in. Today, we're going to take a closer look at Design, a versatile design platform that caters to all your creative projects. What makes Design stand out? It offers a user-friendly interface packed with powerful features that simplify the design process. From templates to collaboration tools, Design is perfect for freelancers, businesses, and anyone looking to create eye-catching designs without the hassle. Before we jump into the details, make sure to check the link in the description for an exclusive offer from Design. Now let's dive into one of the most popular features, logo design. Once you've signed up, you'll be taken to the main screen, where right in the center, you can enter your business name. Simply type it in, and then click the Create Logos button. From here, Design guides you step by step, starting with a prompt to add keywords related to your business and the logo style you're aiming for. After that, hit Continue, and in just one click, Design's AI generates a full range of unique logo ideas, giving you an exciting array of options to explore. On the left side, you'll see the Filters column. Here, you can refine your search by selecting specific logo styles, adjusting colors, and finding the best matches that suit your brand's vibe. Take your time exploring. If you like multiple designs, you can tap the heart icon to save them to your shortlist for easy access later. Now, if there's a logo that catches your eye but needs a little extra customization, simply click on it to make it your own. First, you can select from various logo style variations to find the ideal starting point. Then, you'll have easy-to-use tools to adjust every element, including text, layout, background, logo, shape, and even animation effects to give it a unique touch. For example, you can try out different fonts to match your brand's tone. Adjust the layout to balance elements, change the background color to make your logo pop, or add animated touches for a dynamic feel. Once you're happy with your edits, Design lets you share a preview to see how it looks in context, save your progress, and download the logo to use right away. With Design, crafting a logo that truly represents your brand is simple, efficient, and enjoyable. Next up, let's explore the diverse design options available on Design. Whether you're creating logos, establishing brand identity, or designing for Facebook, Instagram, print, and even video, Design has categories to cover every need. Let's start with the business card maker. After selecting this option, you'll be prompted to enter your business name. This helps personalize each card with your brand right from the start. If you already have a logo, you can upload it as well, making the design even more tailored to your identity. And Design quickly generates a wide selection of business card templates, each featuring your brand name in different styles, colors, and layouts. To make it even easier to find the perfect design, you can add specific keywords related to your industry or style preferences. This helps Design suggest templates that align with your brand's look and feel. You also have the option to choose your preferred card orientation, allowing you to focus on the format that best suits your business image. This personalized search makes finding the ideal business card both quick and effective. After finding a card you like, you can save it to your shortlist or dive into editing to make it uniquely yours. With Design's intuitive interface, adjusting each element is simple. You can customize the text, background, logo, shapes, add a QR code, videos, or even animations. Plus, if you want a fully branded experience, you can edit both the front and back of the card. And when everything looks perfect, Design even offers a print service to bring your customized card to life. Now let's check out the Instagram Story Maker, a fantastic tool for any business focused on social media marketing. When you're promoting your brand, captivating, beautifully designed stories can make all the difference in catching your audience's attention. And that's where Design really shines. With Design's Instagram Story Maker, you can instantly generate story templates tailored to your business. Just add a few keywords that describe your brand or campaign, and if you like, upload your logo. What's exciting is how quickly Design brings your vision to life, offering a wide array of vibrant, professionally crafted templates. The best part? Each template is fully customizable, letting you easily adjust elements like text, colors, animations, and more. Once you're done, you can save your favorites or download them right away, ensuring every Instagram story you post is polished, engaging, and ready to impress. In addition to the features we've covered, Design offers a wide range of creative tools for all your marketing needs. For social media, you can quickly create eye-catching posts and stories with the Facebook Postmaker and Facebook Story Maker, perfect for grabbing attention on your page. And for Instagram, the Instagram Postmaker helps you craft stunning visuals tailored to your feed. If you're looking to enhance your brand's online presence, there's the YouTube Banner Maker to ensure your channel stands out, as well as the LinkedIn Banner Maker to make a great impression on your professional profile. For a more polished professional look in your email and business documents, Design also offers an email signature maker and a letterhead maker. Both tools allow you to create cohesive, branded elements that elevate your business communications. With so many options at your fingertips, Design makes it easy to create, customize, and stand out across every platform. When creating logos, business cards, or social media content, Design can suggest popular keywords and relevant industries to streamline the process. As seen here, you have access to a wide range of popular keywords like 3D, minimalist, modern, and vintage, which can help refine your design style. Plus, Design also categorizes suggestions by industries, such as fashion, food, real estate, and technology. This allows you to target your branding more effectively and create visuals that resonate with your specific audience. These curated options make it easier to create professional designs that truly align with your business identity. On the Websites tab of Design, you have 3 options to build and enhance your online presence: Website Builder, Link in Bio, and Domain Names. First up, the Website Builder allows you to create a stunning website in just seconds. Simply enter your brand name, and with a few clicks, you can choose from a range of professional templates tailored to your style and needs. The Website Builder not only saves you time but also provides an intuitive, user-friendly interface, enabling you to quickly launch a complete website without complex coding skills. Next, the Link in Bio feature on Design makes it easy to create a single shareable link that connects your audience to all your important online content. Simply enter your username, upload your logo, and in moments, you can have a professional, customizable landing page that includes links to your shop, social media profiles, latest offers, or any essential information you'd like your followers to see. This tool is perfect for social media, giving your audience quick access to everything about your brand in one convenient link. Moving on to the Domain Names feature on Design. This tool allows you to effortlessly secure a custom domain name that enhances your brand's online identity. Simply enter your desired domain name, just like in the previous steps, and explore available options. With Design, you'll find competitive and affordable prices, ensuring you don't have to break the bank to establish a professional web presence. Having your own domain not only builds credibility, but also makes it easier for customers to find and remember your brand online. As we wrap up our exploration of Design, it's important to note that this platform offers an extensive array of functionalities beyond what we've covered. In the More section, you'll find tools for creating stunning menus, eye-catching flyers, and even personalized gift certificates. Additionally, the AI tools enhance your experience by offering features such as a logo generator, background remover, and business and domain name generators, making the design process effortless and efficient. With such a diverse range of options, Design empowers you to bring your creative visions to life, whether you're designing for business or personal use. And to make it even more accessible, Design offers pricing options tailored to your specific creative needs. Whether you're looking to create logos, business cards, or social media posts, there's a plan that suits you, all at reasonable prices. If your main focus is logos, the Premium Logo Pack is available starting at just $3 per month when billed annually. This pack includes high-resolution and vector logo files, unlimited logo changes, and access to over 50 additional design tools. And for a more comprehensive package, including a website and more templates for business cards and social media. The premium logo pack plus website is only $5 per month when billed annually. Choosing annual billing also helps you save even more in the long run. Ready to find the best plan for your projects? Click the link in the description below to explore special deals and start designing with design. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you get started with design, please hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more design tutorials. Don't forget to check the link in the description for your exclusive offer. Start designing today, and I can't wait to see your amazing creations. See you in the next video.